Consentric is a platform designed to help those people who process personal data and who need to demonstrate GDPR compliance. Generally speaking, it supports 4 main disciplines. First, Consentric is hugely beneficial for those in marketing, not least because it can increase engagement with individuals by ensuring transparency of data usage. For instance, because their consent is captured and their objections are recorded, you're able to maintain an accurate record to communicate appropriately with that individual. That, of course, increases trust in your brand, which in turn builds loyalty in it, which is good for business. If you're in compliance, Consentric can give you the assurance that your company is adhering to GDPR compliance in 2 key ways. Firstly, it can do so in terms of an immutable time-stamped audit trail, recording all individual interactions, including consent and objections to legitimate interest processing activities. Secondly, it facilitates customers' data rights. Consentric gives both you and the customer control. What's more, Consentric also provides a view of what personal data is being captured, which department or organisation is using the data, the purpose for which that data was collected, and the period of time for which it can be used. For data managers, Consentric provides quality and compliant data underpinned by one single source of permissions right across the company. This allows you to select the right individuals for the right communications or other activities. And lastly, for IT and systems managers, Consentric, being a best-in-breed cloud platform, will easily integrate data across multiple organisational systems and any data collection touchpoints, which means there's no need to adapt legacy systems in order to comply. And as software as a service, you have the reassurance that Consentric will be updated in line with new guidance and regulations as they appear. So whichever of these key areas you work in, Consentric has the power to radically assist the way you work and support the automation of GDPR compliance.